got color coded, so yellow just means what on like a traffic light? Speed up and go through.
Yeah.
Okay. So caution. So this is just a caution. The other one is, well, pink, but I couldn't find red. Red means stop, warning. So this one, I need everyone to cover their ears. This one is a combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Mixed together in a proportion of...
I'm not plugging my ears because I need to record it. Fuck.